How to turn vibration off in Pokemon Go Plus. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off vibration in Pokemon Go Plus Plus. So as we know, Pokemon Go Plus Plus is a device that connects with your Pokemon Go, and it helps us playing the Pokemon Go in easiest way. We don't have to check our smartphones again and again. Now the problem is Pokemon Go Plus Plus keeps on vibrating whenever there's a new Pokemon around it. So how to turn it off? As we know, it is a technical device, and currently it does not have any option to turn off the vibration. But you can turn off the vibration by changing hardware. So if you don't know how to change hardware, what you have to do is you have to take your Pokemon Go device to a smart guy or a technical guy who can do this for you. That is the only way to do it. Well, there is currently no option to turn it off through softwares. You can just alter the hardware to turn it off. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. Hope you find this video helpful.